Hello, this is the Blonde Analyst, and today we'll be going over SOA problem 23. It states the number of injury claims per month is modeled by a random variable n with p of n equal to 1 over n plus 1 times n plus 2 for non-negative integers n. So this is the same thing as saying n greater than or equal to 0. Calculate the probability of at least one claim during a particular month, given that there have been at most 4 claims during that month. So we know that there's at least one, given that there are at most 4. So that is probability of n greater than or equal to 1, given that n is less than 4. Using the formula for conditional probability, that is the same thing as 1 less than or equal to n less than 4 over probability n is less than 4. Now we use our formula here and we just plug in for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability n equals 0, n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3, and n equals 4. Then we have 1 over a certain number. Our numerator stays the same. And for our first, it's going to be, we're going to plug in 0, so it's 0 plus 1, which is 1, and 0 plus 2, so 1 times 2, so that is a half. For 1, it's 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 4, 12, 4 times 5, 20, and 5 times 6, 30. And then, so our numerator is going to be this right here, and our denominator is going to be this right here. So this is probability n less than 4, and the left side is probability 1 and 4. So if we add up the red here, a 6 plus a 12th plus a 20th plus a 30th, we get a third. And then in the denominator, it would just be a third plus our one piece right here, which is a half. And then that will end up giving us 2/5. B.